Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 warning signs of wrong usage of your credit card. Number 1, maintaining a credit utilization ratio of about 30%. So for example, let's say you are given a credit limit of 1 lakh rupees. So it is advised that you use only 30% of that 1 lakh rupees. If you happen to use more than 30%, then the credit bureau will consider you to be a credit hungry person. So that will affect your credit score. So make sure that you maintain 30% or less so that your credit score will not be affected. Number 2, repeatedly paying the same minimum due amount. So for example, let's say you have taken a loan of 40,000 and your minimum due amount is 2,000 to 3,000. If you just keep paying that 2,000 to 3,000, your total outstanding amount still does not change. This just means that you're paying more interest. So make sure that when you're paying your EMIs, make sure you pay a huge amount or a bigger amount so that you will be able to clear up your credit card bills more easily. Number 3, not paying attention to your reward points expiring. So credit card issuers attract a lot of consumers by giving them a lot of reward points and benefits when it comes to shopping. So make sure you use all these reward points or discounts or deals on time before they expire. Because if the points expire, then you will be missing out on all the benefits. Number 4, making cash withdrawals using your credit card. So withdrawing cash using your credit card attracts not only one but twin charges. So using your credit card for cash withdrawals can create deep holes in your pocket. So make sure you avoid doing that and make sure you don't take out cash from your credit card. Number 4, failure to plan spends according to the interest-free period. Now the interest-free period here refers to the date of the transaction and the date that you have to repay that transaction. So the period in between is the interest-free period. And this period can fall anywhere between 18 to 55 days. And if you happen to make a transaction and repay the amount within 18 to 55 days, then you don't have to pay any interest. So make sure that you make full use of this interest-free period given by the credit cards. So these are the 5 warning signs that you need to look out for if you feel that you are using your credit card in a wrong way. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or how to start a business or business and farming courses or career planning courses, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.